We have a good airdrop to talk about, which is Mitosis, as well as other thing that you need to go and do, and a checker. So with that said, we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing that I want to tell you is a reminder. Remember to go and work your way up over on Plaza Finance. As you see here, I'm rank 116, pretty stable, but make sure to go and do it. The link will be down below. You already participated because we've been talking this for a while. We participated in the testnet, so make sure to go and do everything over here on the dashboard, all the action on a day-to-day basis, and let me know your leaderboard points down below. If you haven't joined them, the link will be there. Another reminder of Wealth Finance right here. The airdrop is coming very, very soon. A lot of people have forgot about it. They haven't done transactions. So to be eligible for the airdrop, make sure that you go and do at least one transaction between now and the airdrop checker and the TG. The link will be down below, because I do believe that with all the mess that's happened, if and when they're gonna be doing an airdrop, they will reward people who have participated for a long time. So make sure to be one of those. As well as over here on Coinflare, guys, quick one: if you deposit $50 or more, you do get $100. So a 200x campaign on your deposit. Deposit 50, you get $100 in free trading bonus. So make sure to participate. The link will be down below. It is limited. Once we reach $5,100 given out, no more people will be able to receive it. So make sure to go and participate right now. The link will be down below. Talking about the airdrop situation, we got the Stargate ecosystem, which we still know that they're gonna be having a second airdrop, especially with the Layer 0. And guess what? Layer 0 have proposed to acquire Stargate. A final proposal is now live on the Stargate snapshot, which the voting to start precisely on August 17th. So today you will be able to go and start voting. Here is all the information. I will leave you this one down below so you can go and check it out for yourself as well, to go and participate, to go and do all of the good things that you need to go and do. But simply go to the snapshot over here, which we already participate, the snapshot.box, which it is the website for the proposal, and go to the one that I will leave you linked down below, which basically allows you not to go and do everything over here, but simply go directly to the one that you are interested and go and vote if you have the possibility. Now, the possibility of voting, who has it? As we see here, this is the Stargate DEO. Layer 0 proposal acquired for Stargate. You are in favor or against it, and it is completely up to you. Go and vote for. If you have voting power, confirm or deny it. Simply make sure to go and vote it, because it is important for your future airdrop allocation as well. Voting is really, really important. Doesn't matter if you go one voting power, two voting power, 1,000 voting powers. Make sure to go and participate. And as we see here, 7 days left, and everybody is in favor for, so we could receive 2-in-1 airdrop, Layer 0, and Stargate the STG token as well. Talking about Mitosis is right here. So Mito, we have participated in the testnet. If you do remember, we had the emerald, the diamonds, and all of them, quest to go and do. And today marks a pivotal moment. We're introducing the Mito token. So they have all of this one, but essentially what's important for you to know? Well, first of all, the ecosystem has 45.5%. The team has 15%. A little bit too much in my opinion. Team should be at 10%. Investor has 8.7, foundation 10%, and the Genesis airdrop so as 10%. It's not bad, it's not terrible. They have already allocated builder incentivization, exchange marketing, initial liquidity, and R&D, which is nice. 1 billion total supply, and at 10% for deer. So how are we able to go and participate, or better, check and claim this airdrop? As of right now, nothing is set. There is no way that you can go and check the airdrop allocation currently, so make sure to simply go and stick to it and listen carefully. As we see here, they explain everything. I will leave you all of this down below. And of course, there is the possibility for you to go and check it later on. But as of right now, if you do find anything online, do not click it. The link is not live yet. They have only announced the possibility for the token generation event, the allocation, and everything that people wanted to know and needed to know. Next up, we have a possibility potentially, if you completed the Caldera meet the mid layer 100k price pool over on layer 3, which we have already claimed the Caldera airdrop and we have gone and seen it. Well, you could have a few rewards waiting for you in terms of stable coins, whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, $20. There was a price pool of $100,000. So make sure to go and participate. As we see here, I am not on the allow list. This is one, but you could be. So let me know in the link down below if you have the possibility to claim it. And if so, How much? Next up, we also have the Somnia airdrop, which simply go and check your airdrop allocation, connect the wallet. I didn't participate in this, so I'm not gonna bother you with wasting your time. Connect account, check eligibility, claim info, and you are done to go. So with that said, guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Of course, the airdrop space right now, we got crypto soaring, everything is going good, and that's why I also started to go into the trading, because I really like this opportunity in the market. The airdrop space is kind of like slowing down, but nonetheless, I try to take you daily video. With that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.